Check out this 2013 Nissan Maxima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, cruise control, trip computer, bucket seats, and AM/FM stereo. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.